Attacking with golems, wizards, and hogs in Clash of Clans is probably one of the most effective attacks for at least the Town Hall 9 level. Town Hall 8 as well, I suppose. For getting 3 stars specifically. A standard go wipe attack, so golems, wizards, and pekkas, is pretty universally understood to be a 2 star attack. It has the ability to 3 star, but in most cases it won't get you there. Adding in a contingency of hogs will be the thing that can push you over the edge from a 1 or 2 star attack to a 3 star attack. But there is some technique involved in it, so let's take a look here. So in this attack, what you're going to see is that the golems come in along the 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock side. Now, the reason why the golems are brought in along this side as opposed to the other side of the board here is because when you release the hogs at a later point, you want to release the hogs into a section where there's a dense collection of defenses, specifically a reduced likelihood of experiencing a double bomb, which could wipe out your entire hog army. If you were to release the hogs up in this area, it's very likely that they could encounter a double bomb there, and it's going to eliminate your possibility for a 3 star, maybe even drop you down to a 1 or 0. So by bringing in the golems along the top side here from 12 to 3, what you'll see later on is that the hogs are released on the bottom side of the board where the defenses are a little bit more tightly packed. Now in this case, as you can see, there is a lava hound on defense, and something that a lot of people miss right there. Now the lava hound is just exploded and released these pups everywhere. This would be the perfect time to use a poison spell. The poison spell will pretty quickly get rid of them, and these pups do actually a lot of damage. You know, when an exploded lava hound could easily take out 6 or 8 of your wizards if they're standing in the wrong place. So this would have been a great time to use that poison spell, especially because they're so densely packed right there. But there's a lot going on when you're doing an attack like this. So the hogs are starting to come out here now. They're coming in from the bottom side, so 6 o'clock they're entering through. Let's see how it goes here. Healing spells. You want to drop your healing spell, double bombs, and that just wiped out a huge collection of hogs there. That is the concern when you're doing this type of attack, is that double bombs could severely compromise your army, more so than with any other army type. Hogs in particular are susceptible to them. Now, surprisingly, there was enough hogs left alive that weren't part of that group that was taken apart by the double bomb that they're going to go ahead and continue to uh, take out the defenses here. The heroes are actually what's going to wrap it up completely. I think there's 1 hog left alive, a couple of goblins running around. Um, that poison spell never ended up getting used, so that would have been the perfect time to use it. But it's a 3 star attack, so that's fantastic regardless. But this is just one example of how to attack with golems, wizards, and hogs as kind of reinforcement after you have sent in your golems and wizards. The golems, of course, are absorbing all the damage, while the wizards are standing behind them, doing their high hit point attack. And when you release the hogs, it's kind of like a reinforcement. You want to release them before your attacking line of wizards are dead, and the two kind of meet in the middle of the board. And when done effectively, this is one of the strongest attacks at Town Hall 8 and Town Hall 9.